Hello everyone, I'm Jodylynn and thank you so much for joining me today. Today is all about comparing the new Nira at-home Laser Pro device with their older Nira at-home precision laser device. This has been out for a while now. I have done a couple of videos on this device. This is their newest edition. This is their Pro, and they have just recently come out with this, I'd say within the 5 to 6 months of this video going up. So just right off the bat, you can see the differences in the probe. This is a very narrow, small probe, and this one is much larger. Let's talk about how these devices are similar. They are both at-home laser devices. They are both FDA cleared. They have been clinically proven. They have 5 intensity levels. They both have a 90-day money-back guarantee, which we love. They are both safe for all skin types. Both of them are going to build collagen in the skin, and they're going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I also want to just kind of clarify, Nira states that there is no redness, there is no pain using these devices. However, I think that that really depends on the person, because when I use the precision, there's definitely some pain. That heat to me and many others was like, ooh, it was definitely, I would say, painful. And depending on your sensitivity, it can make your face a bit red. Nothing that is going to last like a day, not even a day. I'd say it's going to go down like within 15 to 20 minutes, but it definitely can make the face red depending on your tolerance. Now, let's talk about how they are different. So let's talk about the precision. This is going to be for more precise areas, smaller nooks and crannies to get into. And it's really going to be beneficial for the under eye area and the hood area, as well as around the mouth. That is what this was really intended for. And there were many people that were using it all over the face, but that definitely was taking quite a bit of time, as you can see, because this probe is so small. Using this around the eye area is a total of 2 minutes. So it's really quick and easy. And they do suggest that you use it morning and evening. This has a manual button. So for this to work, you need to sit it on the skin, press the button, it'll beep, and then you take the device away and you do the and you continue doing that across the face. All right, let's talk about the Pro. The Pro, you can use all over the face. You can see how big that probe is. So it's only going to take you about 3 to 5 minutes for the entire face, as well as the neck. I'm super excited that you can use this on the neck. Do not use it on this area, but you definitely can use it on the sides of the neck, and you can also use it under the neck. Nira is saying that you should also use this morning and evening, and they are also saying that you can use it on the hands as well. So if you've got like those dark spots and even some wrinkling on the hands, this, they are saying, is going to help with that. As you can see, there's no button here. So this one is automatic. As soon as you put it on the skin, you're going to hear a beep indicating that it's touching the skin as it should be, and then it will beep one more time, letting you know to lift it from the skin. It'll also let you know if it's not hitting the skin properly. The beep is different. Full face with this is going to be about 3 to 5 minutes, closer to 5 if you're going to be doing the neck. This around the eye area, 2 minutes total for both eyes, really, and not even a full 2 minutes. I'd say 2 minutes if you're going to add on the mouth area. Let me tell you my experience with these devices. I've done a couple of videos on this device. I saw wonderful results with this device in my dynamic wrinkles, meaning those wrinkles when I smile. That's where I saw the most difference using the precision. I did not see a lot of difference in those static wrinkles, those wrinkles that are just naturally there. Also, I was using this device at a really high level, 4 and 5. The highest intensity is a 5, and I'm telling you, that is really hot. And I don't think that I should have. I mean, level 1 on here is hot. And I just don't think that I should have been doing that, because on the inside, eventually, over time, this area of my eye was becoming really dry and crepey, and my under eye area was looking actually more aged because of that. I will list that video if you want to go ahead and take a look at it. Let's talk about my impressions so far on using this device just for the past couple of weeks. First of all, I love the intensity levels. There is not one on here that is super hot. Thank God. Because I really do think that that was kind of problematic for some of us, that it was just too high of heat, especially if you have maybe thinner skin. Still has those 5 intensities, and you can definitely tell the difference. Even level 5 is really tolerable. Now, for me, I have been using this all over the face. This is something that you're not going to want to use it around the mouth. It's just not, it's too big to use around the mouth. So I'd say that this probably not going to be used around the mouth. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to use it on, on the hood. It fits on the hood, and then of course the neck. And I've also been using it here. We'll kind of see what it does to the jowls. But I'm loving that this is a quick treatment. I am loving the heat is not as hot. Now, around the eye area, I have been using this around the eye area. I still, because this area for me is so thin, I have only been using it. I haven't even gone like really up here to use it at all. And I'm using this. I'm not using this. I'm just using this. You can still use this underneath the eye. And I'm actually not going way inside there. I'm actually just starting right here, and I'm doing a level 1. And then I'm doing a level 2 here, and then I'm doing a level 3 here on these sides, because they're tolerable in this area. Is a lot more thick skin than this is on the inside of the eye. That's for me personally. So I say around those really delicate areas, go about a level 1, 2. You don't want to do anything really hot. And if it is painful at all, do not use that intensity. Find the correct intensity level for you that is not painful. That is key. Also, I've only been using a level 2 on the neck area because my neck is pretty thin. So that's going to be really kind of dependent on you. If you have a thicker neck, you might be able to go up to 3, 4, or even 5. I've been using beauty devices for 3 years. Radio frequency, laser, microcurrent, like I use them all. LED light therapy. So I have a lot of experience using these devices. And I can tell you that when you are using an at-home heated device, you do not want to overuse those heated devices. You need to use as directed. So I don't even personally like using it twice a day. Now, if you have never used an at-home device and this is something that you're looking into, you may want to go in the first month, both like do it morning and evening. And then I really think it's important to give yourself a day off 1 or 2 days a week after that, and do it about 5 days a week. And then, you can kind of play with it after that. So I am been playing with this. I'm only using it 5 days a week. And honestly, I've only been using it in the evening. I'm doing some experimenting. So if you are looking for future videos on this device, please make sure that you subscribe, because there are going to be future videos coming out with this. Who do I think that these might be for? Honestly, this is just my personal opinion. And if you have these devices, please chime in so that it can help everyone make a purchasing decision. But for me, I don't know why you would need this device. And it is just so hot that I think that this is your best bet. Honestly, I really think that if you are looking into one of these devices, this is the one that you're going to want to go with, is the Pro. I love the 5 intensity levels. I love the bigger probe. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to use this. I love the length of it, which is only 3 to 5 minutes. So for me, I like this, and I would recommend to check this one out. If you are thinking about trying the Nira, I would really suggest getting their hyaluronic acid serum. Your face is going to be dry. There's no doubt about it after using this laser device. So as soon as you are done using it, you're going to want to apply your hyaluronic acid serum and then, of course, a moisturizer. If you use tretinoin, you can definitely, you're going to have to play around with that. It is really up to you and your skin tolerance. So usually what I do, just for me personally, is I will use the laser and then I will add this on and then I will add on my moisturizer. And then in about an hour or so, I will add my tretinoin. I like to do the sandwich method with my tretinoin anyway, because I'm at such a high intensity, or sometimes depending on my skin, I might just use a retinaldehyde. So you kind of have to play around with your retinol to see if you can tolerate it. It's really up to you, but you definitely can use it after the treatment. It just depends on your skin. Okay, so I think also that they are having a sale right now on this. I will post that information over here just in case that they are. But if you have any questions on this device, please let me know. I love hearing from you. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.